Hi guys, this is Nick from Singularity Weblog. I'm here at the NASA Ames campus, and a bunch of you have asked me to give you a video tour if I can of Singularity University and the campus. So I thought I'd do my best and take you around for 5 or 6 minutes and show you where I'm spending the next 70 days. Alright, let's hope you enjoy. Okay, I'll try to narrate as we're going. So this is the main entrance for the NASA Ames campus. And that's the security check down there. And here to the right of me, we were told that we have the third fastest supercomputer in the world. Now, of course, I'm not going to be going there right now. I would imagine I can't just knock on the door and say I want to check my email. So people are getting security clearance to get in that. There's another checkpoint there, and even if I get to go there, I don't think I'll be allowed to take a camera along. But anyway, the rest of the campus is pretty open, so I'll take you along and hope you enjoy. Alright guys, this is the main plaza on NASA's Ames campus. That's the warehouse I was telling you about before that. It's humongous. I don't know if you can get the scale, but it's pretty humongous. And both on the right and on the left side we have the main office buildings. Singularity University's main office buildings are about there, and the lecturers are staying over there in that building. Okay, let's walk along now and I'll take you to the main Singularity University campus hall where all the students usually congregate, even though today it is Sunday, so campus is almost nearly empty, but that provides us with a good time to do a little bit of video shooting. Alright, as you can see, we're approaching the main Singularity University office building. That's the sign right there. And the main office building is actually being shared between Singularity University and another company that makes airships. And I think they're the ones that are using the warehouse. That's one of my classmates who's running. Good for him on a Sunday. My classmates are the coolest people in the world. Really. so let's get closer to the main office building. This is the entrance. Lots of flags. That's the company that makes airships I told you about. Okay guys, we're approaching the air hangar for the airship, or the Zeppelin, where they used to store it, I guess, in the 60s. And the airfield is right next to it. It's pretty cool. Let's go check it out. I hope you can see the scale of the warehouse now. It's really huge. The previous shot was from pretty far away, and now I'm pretty close, and it's still humongous. As a side note, one of the students from last year told me that they left something on top of the warehouse there for us, for the incoming students of this year, somewhere there. So I guess we might have to go check that out. Make sure that we don't miss anything. So basically this whole place looks like it was built in the 1960s or so, if not before that. And it's like a little time capsule. If you look at the gas station, and there's lots of buildings which are not being used anymore. The airfield has an old airplane, or a body of, anyway, that sits there. There's even a little museum here that sort of follows the history of airships and stuff. I haven't been inside yet, but it looks interesting. And over there we have the air traffic control tower. And the airplane. This is pretty much the airfield that I was telling you about. Many of our lecturers land their planes there. Now I want to go and take you to a garbage, or anyway, sort of backyard junk place. And of course this is not your average backyard junk that you would find. So let's go check it out from up close. Okay guys, this is what I wanted to show you. It looks like you know, the propulsion stage of an old rocket. And of course now it's just sitting here sort of and rusting basically, but I'm sure there was a time when this thing was being tested, and it looks still pretty impressive too, I have to say. It's interesting. I don't know if these numbers mean anything, but those of you who can Google those, after I post the video, maybe they can find which rocket this is coming from. And there seems to be another stage there, perhaps a single engine, and the other one looked like a double engine, so perhaps a different model, or maybe the second stage of the propulsion system. Anyway, very interesting. As I said, not your average backyard junk. And now we're going finally to see the main student hall and student dorm, where all the good stuff happens. Let's go and see how many students are on campus. Right now I don't think there will be too many. It's a Sunday afternoon and one of our classmates had a big birthday bash last night, so many people stayed up until 5 o'clock in the morning. I admit I wasn't one of those guys because I was kind of really exhausted and decided to do a little work on the blog, and after that I just went to sleep. My roommate came back at around 5 a.m. and he's been sleeping the whole day pretty much. He got up about an hour ago. Yeah, this is the big parking lot, and basically this is our main hall building.